Welcome back class 10 children after Dasara vacation. So today we will begin a new chapter, chapter 8, matrices. So this is the new chapter for you. So let me first define what is matrix. Like matrices is the plural form and matrix is a singular form. So definition is a matrix is any rectangular array of numbers arranged in rows and columns. So you can see one kind of rectangular array, and it is the numbers are arranged in rows and column. Like this is row and this is column. Like so this is a matrix. So this is first row because the horizontal lines are called row, and this is like second row and the vertical lines are called column. So this is first column and this is second column. That's why size of the matrix will be 2 into 2. So when there are two rows and two columns, size of the matrix is 2 into 2. It is also called square matrix. And when there are two rows, this is first row, second row, and only one column, first column, size of the matrix is 2 into 1. So here this is 2 into 2 size and this is 2 into 1 size. So here 2 is rows and 1 is column. Now zero matrix or null matrix, a matrix each of whose elements are 0 when all the numbers are 0. Let it be 2 into 2 size or 2 into 1 size. When everything is 0, such matrix is called zero matrix or null matrix. Now number 3, unit matrix or identity matrix. So a square matrix. So square matrix means 2 into 2 size, 2 rows and 2 column. In that matrix, in which each diagonal element is unity or 1. So one diagonal element, this is diagonal, is 1 and the other is 0. All other elements being 0. Then such kind of matrix is called identity matrix or unit matrix. So this is the best example and it is denoted by letter I. So letter I. Now addition of matrix. How to add matrix? Suppose this is one matrix, this is second matrix. How to add? Now 5 plus 2 is 7. First one is added with first, and second 2 plus 3 is 5. 1 plus minus 1. Let me tell you children, here 1 plus minus 1. Now what happens? This plus and this minus multiplies. Plus into minus is minus. So finally we have minus 1. So 1 minus 1 we can say is 0. Now 0 plus, and here is minus 2. Again this plus and this minus will multiply. Plus into minus is minus. So we have finally minus 2. So 0 minus 2 is minus 2. This is our answer. Now subtraction of matrix. How to subtract? Same thing, just we have to, like in addition we put plus at the middle. Here in subtraction we put minus at the middle. Now minus 4 and this is minus and this is minus 3. Now this minus and this minus will multiply. Minus into minus is plus 3. Now finally we have here plus 3. How? This minus and this minus got multiplied. So now this became plus 3. Now minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1. Now 2 minus and this is 2. So 2 minus 2 is 0. Now 3 minus 5. 3 minus 5 is minus 2. Again here minus into minus is plus. So now this became plus. Now 2 plus 2 is 4. So same position has to be added or subtracted. So here in subtraction, this minus multiplies with the interior minus also and becomes plus. Now based on the addition and subtraction, I want to discuss a question today. Now exercise 8b, page number 810. So let me discuss this question, very important children. Now here question is, if p equal to, value of p is 4, 6, 2 and minus 8. This is 2 into 2 sides, 2 rows, 2 column, and q is 2 minus 3 minus 1, 1. So this is also 2 into 2 sides. Now find the value of p plus 2q. So we have to find the value of p plus 2q. So solution starts p plus 2q. I wrote the same thing, and in the value, in the place of p, I put the value of p. So place of p, I have put the value of p. Here is the value of p, plus 2 into value of q. Here is the value of q. Same thing I have put here. Now as you know, this is 2 into q, so this 2 will multiply with all the numbers. Now 2 2s are 4, 2 into minus 3 minus 6, 2 into minus 1 minus 2, because 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. Now 2 1s are 2, so this multiplied and took the respective place, the same place. Now this is same here. Now we add 4 plus 4 is 8, 6 plus minus 6, plus into minus 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 6, 6 minus 6 is 0, 2 minus 2, because plus into minus is minus, 2 minus 2 is 0, minus 8 plus 2, minus 8 plus 2 is minus 6. This is our answer. Next question, value of A is this, value of B is this, and value of C is this. This is also called identity matrix, because diagonal is 1 and rest number is 0. Identity matrix. So ABC value is given. Now find A minus B plus C. That means subtraction also is there, addition also is there. Now same question I write here, A minus B plus C, and I have put the respective value of A, B and C. In place of value of A, in place of B, value of B, in place of C, value of C. This minus is here and this plus is here. Now 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1 is 2, and 2 plus 1 is 3. Once again let me tell you how to, first I subtracted. 3 minus 1 is 2, and that 2 plus 1 is 3. Now 0 minus 3 is minus 3. 0 minus 3 is minus 3. Minus 3 plus 0 is minus 3. Now 0 minus 0 is 0, and 0 plus 0 is 0. Now 3 minus 1 is 2, and that 2 plus 1 is 3. That means I am doing addition and subtraction at a time. This is our answer. So based on these two questions, children, I have given one homework here. Very easy question. Please do this question as homework, and I have supplied answer also for you. And in the next video we will learn multiplication of matrix. So today I have taught you addition as well as subtraction and addition together. Based on this, please do the homework. Thank you, children.